Yo guys, this is the first video I've done on gaming on the laptop. Let's just move I don't know where to put it. Probably down here, 'cause just like the least, that's a spot I don't like, that I don't normally use. But I'm just gonna pause this, and I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I'm done. You can clearly see it up there. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. So let me just put it there, because I don't actually use that. But I might have to put like back down here, maybe up here. Gotta put here like normal people. Doesn't make this face a lot. Wait a minute. So barista. American Chef 6 dishes. So let me just open. I've opened my restaurant. Table for 2. I'm just go over there. This is where I there's my okay, start looking. Let's go 3 blocks. Oh my god. So table for 4. Ooh, table for 4. Ooh, okay. Okay, so onion rings. Oh, up, down, right, left. Kind of like to do. I kind of like to do like them all differently, like that, like up, down, left, right, like. Ooh, large cheeseburger, a large cheeseburger. Let me get some onion rings. Onion rings. Large cheeseburger and a hot dog. Oh, clear the table. Then collect your dishes. Down, right, left. No! Oh, oh god. Oh. Okay, may I get pancakes? Waffles? Yeah, I like pancakes. I like pancakes. Do you like waffles? No, I'm not gonna do that. But that sometimes I hate that song. Sometimes it gets on my nerve. Okay, so let me close my restaurant. Oh my gosh, I said I closed it. Now there's more pigs. 6 dishes. Level 2. 6 books. Oh, so much. I hear it. No. Oh wait, there's good. I can't even pay. Yo, I'm at $1. I might do it. Pick everyone out. That was a bit rough. I'm just gonna leave this game. And the reason I put like the camera there, which if I put it like that, is way too big. I can't, like the webcam was way too big. Oh, Destruction Simulator. I love this simulator. Looks like I'm doing this from this perspective, but I'm actually doing it like that, like at the side, like I said. When I point over there, I'm pointing in the wrong direction. I'm actually pointing to my right. It looks like I'm pointing to my left, but I'm actually pointing to my right. Something might make lag, but might have lag, but level 16. I mean, that I experience lag a lot. Like the webcam is even lagging. Oh yeah, this is my favorite gun. So three missiles, and I get so many brick. I get lots of brick. See that? Gets me so much. This makes my backpack look like a joke. Because it is a joke. This is the last one I can do. Don't place this landmine there. When's my next backpack? So backpacks. 12,000. I can get there easily. How much money I make with this 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 B cannon, this B cannon, this beaconing, beaconing. I can get it easily. This depends what I hit. I can really hit like 200 each time. I could do it easily. Oh, like that. It turns. Oh, I get into like the 200 each time. Once everything resets, that's when I get the big Lego bricks. Okay, wait, you can go inside that? Never knew that. Well, I guess you could in every technical castle. 5,000 to 8,000. Hopefully I can put this on YouTube because every video that I've made with the game thing that I showed you like at the beginning of this, the game mode thing, it just goes like some weird Xbox thing. I'm on computer, remember? That's why you see this mouse. I'll probably be at 13,000. Wonder how much space I'll have next time. I like to do the face my character has a lot. That time I only hit twice, but now I know it won't hit twice. I don't know why it won't let me play like kindergarten. I don't know why. Probably because it's a game where you can't record with the face cam if you're just using the face cam on computer. Don't know, maybe it's me, maybe it's just like the webcam I'm using, because it is a computer webcam. I would shout out my sister's channel, but I don't think she has one. I might just ask her. Let's go ask her right now. I can sell and I can go to the shop. Oh god. Oh, no, that's just codes. I don't really care about the codes. Got me, level 16. That many coins. We got yep. We got the King 2362 and Utah Potato. Okay, there's that already. Okay, what the names of these people are. I just care that I'm actually playing with people because this never happens because because I always end up just in a stupid game. A duffel bag, which is that's why kids need to come to the shop. I think 6 more times. I don't know. Okay, yeah. 6 times. Yeah, 6 times. I don't think it'll be easy filling up this duffel bag. I'm trying to like make this go on. How much is a new gun? Maybe like 32 to 35,000? I don't know. Maybe I don't actually know. It might be. Shit is tight. Gotta stay hydrated. Water. I'm drinking Fiji water because Walmart ran out of core water because they don't really sell it anymore. I wish I could just like go like that, but I'm I'm a better level than that, so I should be. Okay, so comment down below, yes or no, that I probably make level 17, which is my duffel bag max. Just shorten that, and I'm ready to plant the bomb. Okay, so how did it bounce from here to there? I don't know, but let's place another bomb. Won't break anything. Oh my! Yeah. I've destroyed everything. I've destroyed this whole thing. Ah! And guys, comment down below which ending, like which Lily mission is way worse. Like which final ending, like the final mission is worse. Kindergarten 1 or Kindergarten 2? I don't know, but no, I'm not talking about the secret ending with the 50 talismans, aka Monstermon cards. Let's see if that thing will hold. Nope. Nope. Gravity works in this game apparently. Can't believe gravity actually works in a game. Finally. Okay. I just said duffel bag, win. Yeah, that gun that guy has. Or you should like it's like a double. Um Utah Potato? I think that's his name. I'm not sure. When will this be set? I don't know. 2 more minutes left. Gotta make it quick. But I will record like I think 2 or 3 videos a day. Most likely 2. Probably 1 when I wake up and 1 like I think when I'm about to lay down. Probably so, because I just want to get videos out and I don't care about anything. I just care that y'all guys have entertainment. I don't put any of my ads on, like, I don't put any ads on my videos because I don't know how to. Please comment down below how to, because I'm only just a kid. Oh, and I will be doing some Fortnite videos, but don't know when that'll happen, because, like, kind of bad on Fortnite, because I haven't played it for a long time. Even on Xbox. You know, because you might maybe on the my Xbox. Oh, wait, let's see if you guys see it. If you don't, I do have an Xbox. I just really suck at Fortnite. Okay. So I have this from kindergarten. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Don't block that. So I have the Bugs mission, Lily mission, Nugget mission,